I'm Joe, and I own and operate Seward Helicopter Tours. We offer glacier dog sled tours up to the Goblin Glacier and scenic flights throughout the Seward area. Our main offering is a glacier dog sled tour, and so we take our guests by helicopter up to the Goblin Glacier. It's about a 10-minute flight. We land you up on the top of the glacier with your snow. We have between 15 and 25 sled dogs up there to live for the summer and their guides. And we take you dog sledding on real snow, during the summer, and it's pretty awesome. As a business owner, one of the challenges we run across is figuring out how to give back to the community, and the military does so much for us. Our recent partnership with the military resort here in Seward allows us to give back to the men and women serving us and their families.